1993 cbr900rr. Just gonna do a quick assessment on it. I got this from my buddy. He found it up in the Northeast. I have these parts for him. He gave it with me, with the bike. It's a rough one. He bought it because it had some original parts on it. Had the clear windshield on it. These covers were real nice. It had all this, the under stuff. And the rear fender wasn't cut. Those are real hard to find. I originally said if it starts, it'll get restored, but it'll get restored. So I'm just looking at it. It sat outside for a long time. A lot of rust up in here. I don't know if this tank is savable or not. If not, I have one. Obviously, he removed all this. I'll have to find that. Need some turn signals. I have the plastic for it there. He gave that. It's got a Vance & Hines SS2R pipe on it. I would prefer 2 brothers, so if I put an aftermarket pipe on it, that's probably what I'll get. It's a full system, so I don't have the original header. Plastic's a little cracked. Damage on it. A lot of this stuff just from sitting out. Just has all that surface rust on it, but the frame itself is in really good condition, which almost by itself warrants it getting restored. Wheels are icky. I've never had a black one before. I've had the white and blue one. One of my best buddies growing up, his brother had a black one. It's actually the first one I ever rode. So I gotta find some parts for it. I don't have these, you can see in there. There's some pitting and stuff on those forks. This is rust stuck, it won't even come up. But it's got less than 10,000 miles on it. Like I said, that frame is really nice, just needs cleaned up. It's gonna take a lot of cleaning up. Starter, that's all rusted out. Definitely will take a lot of time. This bike has sat for a long time. That's not abnormal with bikes. They don't take up much space, so they can just get pushed into the corner of a garage. Until someone's tired of looking at it, they just stay there. I just pulled it out because I'm trying to figure out what all it's going to need and everything before I even start on it. I actually did a live earlier talking about that bike there too. But I think this one's going to get a complete resto. Definitely deserves it. The prices come so far up on these things. A really nice white one will bring 20 grand. Black and gray ones are a little less. Oh, cool. That's kind of some of the stuff it needs. I'll definitely be posting. I'll definitely be posting up stuff on it when it's time to do the restoration on it. This is just a little preview of some of the work that I would be doing to that bike. If you like what you see and you like motorcycle content, please check out the channel.